Alright, so this is where the convertible aspect comes in. Field tips. That's looking diabolical. So this is something that was riding around with us in a car for a while. And I brought it in and thinned it out a little bit. And put a couple little nasties on the end there, which, as you saw earlier, they are removable. So it looks pretty cool with or without. Not really sure how I'm going to finish this up, but there may be a couple more field points set in there. Alright, so here's where we're at with this guy. Right now, I've got 6 anchors set in the end, and it's about 31 inches long. Do have a little handle wrap. I'll show you the field points in a picture following, but stain it, paint it, not sure. We'll see where we go with it.